I got my dream car and I'm so excited to share it with you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is super different than my normal makeup beauty videos, and I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a long time. I've honestly been really busy at work. But I bought my dream car and I'm so happy, I'm so blessed. So I have a 2021 Mustang Ecoboost Premium. I've been saving up for Mustang since I was about 18 years old. It was my dream car when I was little. I do want to preface this video. I don't know like a lot about engines of cars or a lot of crazy details about cars. I am not a car guru type person, but I do love me a Mustang and I love the aesthetics of cars as well, and I do enjoy, you know, the feeling of driving certain cars. So I do want to preface that, but I will be bringing you guys along the journey of having my car. So certain things like modifications I do plan on showing you guys because I do have a plan for it. But yeah, so this is my car. It came with the tail lights and all of the windows already tinted, which I really like. So I also wanted to go over some modifications that I plan on doing. I do plan, and these are all aesthetic modifications for now. I plan on getting the front and back pony emblem to be blacked out as well. So right now my car has 18-inch rims and wheels, so I plan on getting, my dog is distracting me, she's so cute. I do plan on getting some 20s on the car because I think it'll just sit a lot better, and I do plan on getting them all black. Some black gloss rims would look phenomenal on the car because right now the silver and black looks good, but I really want my car to just be completely blacked out. So that is a modification I hope to do soon. So I also wanted to show you guys the key cover I got for the key, just to keep it protected and safe. Okay, excuse the fact that it's super windy and my neighbors will not stop blowing their leaves, but these are the tints on the window that are broken. That's me. Hi! As you can see right here as well, they're ripping off. I'm definitely going to replace them because I love the look. I think it looks so clean with the car, but I don't love that. The AC is broken in my house, so I'm very hot right now. I don't know why I look so orange. I am not orange. Let me see. Is that better? I still look orange. Why do I look so orange? Whatever. I know this video is kind of all over the place. I am going to learn more about making car videos specifically, but I just want to introduce you guys to my dream car. I'm so happy that I finally have it, and I can't wait to add my own touches to it and just keep driving it. And please let me know any videos you guys want to see yourself because I would love to make it for you. So yes, have a beautiful day and I'll see you next time.